.com access for all is here. Get the local news that matters most to you. Visit newspressnow.com, download the Newspress Now app, or scan the code to get started.
As TikTok continues to face harsh criticism in the U.S., one tech expert explains why the average user should be cautious of the app. Burton Kelso, chief tech expert at Integral, says that in any Chinese business, the communist government can demand that company hand over its data. This is why the app is banned on government devices, and there are debates about having it outlawed across the U.S. While China can target U.S. officials, Kelso says most users need to be wary of phishing scams.
I think people should be very concerned because with a communist country like China, who we're not at war with, but we're kind of like competing against, you definitely don't want your data in the hands of a government like that, because a lot of how they're making their billions is through cyber attacks. So if the government decides to release your personal information to a third-party hacker that they may be hiring, then that could put you more at risk.
To stay safe, Kelso says people should check reviews before downloading an app or game to see if someone has fallen victim to a cyber attack. They should also check to see if an app or device is manufactured in China and be careful about what information is shared on social media sites.